Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your social media strategy with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your goals for social media. Consider what you want to achieve, such as increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or engaging your audience. Next, analyze your current social media performance. Use analytics tools to assess which platforms are working best for you. Once you have your goals and current performance in mind, create a content calendar. This will help you plan and schedule your posts in advance. Now, sign up for Hootsuite if you haven't already. Hootsuite is a powerful tool that allows you to manage multiple social media accounts in one place. After logging in, connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Once connected, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Begin by scheduling posts using the Hootsuite scheduler. Choose the best times to post based on when your audience is most active. Make sure to create engaging content that is relevant to your audience. Use a mix of images, videos, and text to keep your feed dynamic. Next, utilize Hootsuite's analytics features to track your performance. Monitor metrics such as engagement, reach, and clicks to gauge success. Adjust your strategy based on the insights you gather. Consider incorporating user-generated content into your strategy. This can help build community and engage your followers. Another feature to explore is Hootsuite's social listening tool. This allows you to monitor mentions of your brand and relevant keywords. Engaging with your audience in real time can strengthen your relationship with them. Next, test different types of content to see what resonates best. Conduct A/B tests to refine your approach based on audience preferences. Regularly refresh your strategy to stay relevant in a fast-changing landscape. Finally, review and refine your strategy every month. Identify what's working and what needs improvement for continual growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.